teachers. Turn on your camera so I can see you. Teacher Hazel.
Hello.
All right. Okay. Teacher Ron. Teacher Rachel.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
camera. Yeah, so I can see your beautiful face.
Yes po.
Yes. Miss Rose, pangit yung mic ko.
Yeah, medyo hindi.
Super.
Mahina.
Mahina. Ayan.
Mm-mm.
Sa labas yung isa ko. Ano ba itong gamit? Ayan. Pangit pa ganito.
Yeah, much better.
Much better. So, kailangan hawak ko pala siya. May isa pa,
Yeah.
kasi may attendance check tayo eh. So, Tia Marie sa'yo to.
Teacher Christina,
Aha,
wala pa?
wala pa.
Message ko lang. Christina.
Attendance lang ako ha. Teacher Ron is here. Hi, Teacher Ron. Okay, while waiting for Teacher Christina, introduce mo naman yourself mo. Yeah, introduce yourself, Teacher Ron.
Oh,
Ano,
sorry. Hi.
for attendance
Ah.
lang tayo dito? Hindi tayo for attendance lang dito.
Okay. Hi, I'm Teacher Ron. Just had my first session or lesson, and I'm here now with you guys.
Yes, okay. Any ESL background?
I just finished my TESOL certificate. Yeah, online, and I'm planning on getting like some more certificates to support that.
I see. And then I can hear the accent is kind of different. Any like, galing ka ba ng ibang bansa or something?
Yes, ma'am. I was born and raised in California. I lived out there for like 33 years, and then I
Oh,
moved out
33.
here Yeah,
Oh,
to be with
single.
my family. Yeah.
Wow, okay. Okay, interview pa. Sorry.
Apa.
Joke lang. Okay. So next, Teacher Hazel. Yeah, thank you, Teacher Ron. Okay, Teacher Hazel. Okay, introduce naman yourself.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Hazel. I'm from Mindanao, and
Ay, kinandahan yung
Ay.
Mindanao, nahiya sa California.
I'm from the South.
From Mindanao.
Yeah. Yeah, and I experienced teaching when I was in college. I was doing part-time for basic in English, but that was with the deaf. So I was learning sign
Ah.
language.
It's
Yes.
you. Okay. I remember you.
Yes.
Ikaw yung nagde-deaf naglalesen with them.
Yes.
I see. So, any ESL background?
No, and I actually, I mean, I have, but it's not considered because it's like what do you call this? I started like November, so
November na.
it's just recently.
So, this is the
but
first
I have-
company na nag-apply.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh,
And then, but on top of that, I must say, I worked in BPO for almost 7 years.
For 7 years,
So,
I see. Yeah,
Yes,
it's a little long then.
that's
Okay.
it.
Oh, tama ka
Thank
naman
you.
pala. Isang oras lang tayo. Okay, so thank you for that. So, Teacher Rachel, introduce yourself naman.
Yes, hello, good afternoon. My name is Rachel and I'm from Baguio City. Yeah, the first company I've been with was with ACADSOC, and I've also been with Rare Job, ma'am.
With a rare job, I see.
ma'am.
Okay. So, saan sa Baguio? May taga Baguio tayo dito.
La Trinidad specifically, ma'am.
So, let's read that. I see. Okay. And yung pang-attendance lang na isa dyan, late siya. Okay. Teacher Christina, please introduce yourself naman.
Hi, Miss Kisha. My name is Teacher Christina. I have been teaching English for more than 10 years. I'm a TESOL certified teacher.
Oh, okay. From
I've watched your video.
my
I
video?
enjoyed your
Teka.
class.
Wholesome ba yung video na napanood mo?
I mean, your classes.
Oh, may classes kasi. Ito naman kung maka-video ko. Maayos ba yung video ko na yun? Anong video yan? Anong video yan? Tia Marie, yung mga pinapapanood ng video ko, ah.
Siyempre,
May class. Yeah.
model.
Oh, GE class. I see. Ayusin yung pag-video naman. Which company po, Teacher Christina?
I worked with ACADSOC.
Oh, ACADSOC. Same with Teacher Rachel.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you all. Yeah. Oh, sige, ito pa mag-check. Okay, so thank you, teacher. So by the way, today, so this is a live training for the GE teachers. I just want to relax lang. Yeah, not really that pressure kasi pag medyo serious tayo, mahirap makakuha ng info. Right? So this is gonna be like a sharing then. Kasi may dalawang sumali, hindi dapat talaga sila kasali dito eh. Yeah. So we have here TMs, Marie and Rose. Yeah. So yung mga nagbubutihan nating TMs, nandito rin sila to observe then us, yeah, kung talaga bang nagte-training tayo. So yun nga. So again, welcome. Yeah, good afternoon. So Teacher Hazel, can you see the screen? Let's go. Oh, 'di ba nakamute siya nagsasalita at pang-attendance lang din eh. So this is gonna be an
My bad,
interactive.
my bad.
Yeah.
I can see it. Thanks.
Yeah. So interactive to, okay? So magbabato ako ng questions. Yeah. Anytime. Okay. So let's begin. All right. So this live training will have first the introduction, yeah, the good ET class, problems faced and how are we going to solve it, and then we have the Q&A. Right? So let's begin introduction. Mag-i-introduce din ako kasi sabihin nyo, sino ba yung madaldal na babaeng yan? Ang daldal-daldal. Okay, so by the way, I'm Keisha. Yeah, so I'm the head of the quality control. Yeah, so I'm an IELTS and GE teacher. So I've been teaching English, si Teacher Christina, 10 years, right? 14 years ako. So I've been teaching English for 14 years now. Yeah, so to give you a bit of a background, so I started working here sa company last July 22. Yeah, 2022, sorry, July 2022. And then after like 4 months of dedication. So when I say dedication, it's like hindi ako nagkaroon ng attendance issue. I tried my best not to have complaints. Yeah, and then of course, yung buying rate. Yeah, so after 4 months of my dedication, napansin ng QC team yung effort ko. Yeah, so kinuha nila ako as an evaluator. Actually, pinush lang ako ng TM ko eh, na maging evaluator. Sasabihin ko sa inyo mamaya kung sino yung TM ko. Then, pinush na ako mag-evaluator. Then, after a few months of being an evaluator, naging QC assistant ako. Yeah, so that time yung QC head was a Chinese. Yeah, so after ilang months, November 2023, yeah, so I was promoted to become the QC head. Yeah, dahil pinush din ako ng TM ko. Yeah, so naging QC head ako that time. And actually, nasa China office ako now. Yes, I'm currently in China office. Yeah, wala akong proof eh. Siguro pwede na to. Yeah, nasa China office ako now for 1 month training, paid by the company. Yeah, everything. Visa, plane ticket, hotel, food, lahat. So, I'm here sponsored by the company, so I'm just saying this because the growth and the opportunities available for teachers with real potential here are truly limitless. So we just need to give them like the best that we can have, and then the company will trust us. Okay, so yeah, yun lang, just a brief of an introduction. And now, all right, so I'm gonna be discussing, yeah, good ET lesson then. All right, chill lang kayo ha, ayoko nang kakaba-kaba dito kasi I want you to learn something. Okay, kailangan nating may matutunan here and then sharing na rin of your experiences. All right, so now let's go on to the good ET lesson. Okay, let's begin. Ano ba yung ET lesson? Lagi namin kasi naririnig yan during the training ET lesson. Okay, so Teacher Ron, can you tell me what is an ET lesson?
I think it means like electronic teaching.
Aha, once again, the
Electronic teaching.
electronic teaching. Okay, so when you say electronic teacher or ET teaching or ET lesson, what does it mean?
Like an electronic lesson online. Kind of like a lesson they prepared. Using like PowerPoints and slides.
PowerPoint and slide. Okay, so Teacher Hazel, can you please help? What is an ET lesson?
It's a trial class.
It's a trial class. That's right. So, can you tell me what is the passing? Yeah, the passing buying rate for the trial lesson. Yeah, Teacher Hazel. Yes,
25.
25%.
25 buying rate. Yes.
25% in buying rate. Teacher Richard, what will happen if you have a low buying rate?
I believe it will cost you some, and yeah, I saw one in my assignment tab a while back, and I think there are notices that I received also.
Si bakla nag-focus sa notices. So, pag mababa ang buying rate mo, so it means wala kang magiging klase in the future.
Mhm.
Right? Yes, and then the TAs who sell the classes won't trust you that much. They will not give you ET lesson. It means walang kaperahan. Okay, so ET lesson. That's why we need to have a good ET lesson. All right, so let's start. How to have a good ET. All right, so first we need to have the ice breaking part. So the ice breaking part will play a very vital role sa good ET. Okay, and then the ice breaking part, meron siyang 3 parts. The good introduction, find out the student's needs, and then set the target for the student. Okay, so let's start. Good introduction. All right, so when we say good introduction, you need to build rapport with the student. Okay, you need to build relationship, not really like romantic relationship. Okay, we need to gain the trust ng student. Okay, so how are we going to gain the trust ng student? Building rapport, right? We need to make them feel comfortable during the class. Kasi stress na nga sila eh. Stress na sila, oh my gosh, my English is not so good. Yeah. Ay, mag-aaral na naman. Ayoko na nag-aaral. So make them feel comfortable. Okay, make them feel comfortable. And then, iparealize nyo sa kanila na you are credible as their teacher. So how? You need to showcase your strength. Okay, so pag nagpa-introduce kayo ng self nyo, make sure na sasabihin nyo yung strength nyo as a teacher. Kasi pag sinabi nyo lang na, "Hi, I'm Keisha, I'm your English teacher," hindi ako maniniwalang kaya mo akong tulungan. Kasi you just mentioned that you're just an English teacher. Pero pag sinabi nyo na, "Hi, I'm Keisha, I'm your English teacher. I've been teaching English for 14 years now. I'm a TESOL certified and I have this band score of 8.5 during the IELTS." So, maamis ako like, wow, yung teacher ko, ang galing. Yeah, may TESOL certified na siya tapos 8.5 pa yung speaking niya. So, maybe matutulungan niya nga talaga ako. Right? So, you need to showcase your strength. Hindi kayo magyayabang na, galing ko, ganito ko, ganito. No. You just need to tell them your strength as a teacher. Okay? Medyo proven na tong part na to na pag sinabi niyo yung strength niyo is naniniwala na, make sure naman na believable yung sasabihin yung strength niyo as a teacher. Okay? Kung paano niyo siya matutulungan. Alright? And then, listen carefully sa student. Okay? Listen carefully sa student. Once na nag-introduce si student ng sarili nila, makinig kayo. Mag-build kayo ng rapport na, you love movies, really? What kind of movie do you like watching? Hindi yung para kayong AI na nakaganyan lang. Tapos makikinig lang kayo. Tapos hindi kayo nag interact. So sana, bumili na lang ako ng AI app. Right? So again, showcase your strength. Build rapport with the student. Showcase your strength, your teaching ability, your achievement as a teacher. Makinig kay student. Okay? Makinig mabuti kay student. Have an interaction. All right? Okay. Question with a good introduction. All right. Let's try nga, Teacher Christina. Can you introduce yourself using this one?
Hi, my name is Teacher Christina. I have been teaching English for more than 10 years now. I'm also certified TESOL teacher.
Hindi pa rin ako masyadong na matutulungan mo ko. What else can you do to like makuha mo yung loob ko na, yeah, I can help you with your English?
I can definitely help you out with your English journey in Partner English, as I specialize in grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation.
Okay, you can add that one to your introduction too. And then haluan mo din ng medyo, my hobbies are, yan, para meron din interesting part. Like for example, my hobbies are, I love water sports. I love surfing, I love diving, and I love learning new language. Something like that. Okay, haluan nyo din ng something fun. Kasi we're teaching GE. Okay? Yeah, All right. Thank you, Teacher Christina. Now, let's go on to the next part. Okay. So the next one is find out the students' needs. Okay. So bakit ba natin kailangan hanapin yung need ni student? Okay. So first, it's okay lang din naman to ask what are their weaknesses. Yeah. Pero yung iba kasi, hindi nila alam what are their weaknesses. By the way, Teacher Ron, can you understand Tagalog? Pure Tagalog ako dito. Naintindihan mo siya?
I could sound it out. I think I probably understand like 70% of it
Oh
and
my
just like
gosh, I
making
need
out the
body
it's okay.
language.
It's okay. I gotta use my brain this time. And just like making sure I can understand everything. But so far everything's been clear so far.
Everything is clear. Okay.
Yeah.
TM Rose will translate everything for me.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Okay, so find out the students' needs. So, we need to find out their needs. Ayan tuloy, naubusan tayo ng English. So, so we need to find out the students' needs. Okay, we can ask them what are their weaknesses. All right, but some students they don't know what are their weaknesses. So it's us, ano ba? It's for us to find out. Okay, it's for us to find out. Later, I will tell you why it's very important to find out the students. Okay. Next, we need to set the target for the student. Okay. So we need to set the target for the student because we need to set a goal for them. They want us to learn something from us. Yeah, they want to learn they want us to share our knowledge and skills. So we need to set a target for them. Like for example, asan na ba yung kode ko? Wait lang ha. Okay, for example here. So, in this class, you will learn how to order a coffee. So after this lesson, you can invite your friends to the coffee shop and order your coffee with confidence. Now, I set a goal na after ng class, you'll be able to order coffee with confidence. Now, nandyan na ngayon yung from book to reality. Okay, especially for example, yung lesson is about how to order a coffee. Now, the book is how to order a coffee. I'm gonna make sure after the class, we're going to put it into reality. Okay, that after this lesson, you'll be able to order coffee with your friends with confidence. Yeah, so that is the target for the student. Okay, so mapapaisip ngayon si student, okay, so I think I'm really gonna learn something about, in this lesson. Okay, so tell me again, Teacher Rachel, what are the 3 important things, for a good ET?
I think one is to have a good intro and to understand the students' needs. Lastly is to set a target goal after the lesson.
That's right. Not after the lesson, but before
Before,
before
yeah.
the lesson. Yeah, sorry for the introduction pala to for the ice breaking. Okay. Yeah, so yun yung importanteng 3 things for the ice breaking. Okay, ice breaking pa lang yan. Okay. Second important thing about having the good ET is the communication. All right. Common problem ni teacher to. Very common. Yeah, communication. Si teacher nagsalita na nagsalita during the class. Yeah, hindi na pinagbigyan ng chance si student mag-talk. Sana nakinig na lang ako ng podcast, 'di ba? Pwede ko pa siya i-pause, pwede i-play, pause, play. Right? So, let the student talk. Yeah, during the class. Huwag kayong bida-bida na kayo porque English teacher kayo. Kayo na magsasalita the entire lesson. No. Okay? And then make sure na si student, pag nagsasalita, you will give a feedback after. Kunwari, sinabi ni student, yesterday I give, yesterday I see. Make sure naman na you're going to give a feedback about it. Error correction. Okay? Gustong-gusto ng mga students nagbibigay ng error correction, but in a friendly way. Huwag kayong magbibigay ng correction na parang, ang bobo naman nito. Not like that. Okay? Yeah, make sure to give a feedback after nila mag-make ng sentence in a friendly way. Kung gusto niya, i-involve niyo sila. Like for example, you've mentioned here, yesterday I see. So this one should be, yesterday I saw. Okay? And don't just read the PPT. All right? kung magpapabasa lang kayo ng PPT, nag-reading class na lang ako. Right? Again, this is speaking class. Okay, it's a speaking lesson. So don't just read the PPT, but make sure you're going to ask follow-up questions regarding the PowerPoint itself. Okay? Kunwari, nandun sa PowerPoint is, let's say, nakita niyo yung picture ng Eiffel Tower. Okay, so tell me something. What can you say about this picture? Yan, yung mga ganon. Tapos, sundutan nyo na rin ng mga vocabularies na alam nyo. Kunwari, nakita nyo yung salitang big. I saw here, there is this word big. Yeah, so can you please give me another word for big? Yeah, so na-challenge yung student pa. And then, nare-realize niya na, I'm learning something. Sina-challenge ako ni teacher. And then, she or he is giving me more vocabularies that I can use, yeah, in my daily life. Okay, so communication. Make sure, again, you will let the student speak. All right? Let them speak. Don't be like the bida-bida na magpo-podcast kayo. No. Okay? And don't read the PPT. It's so boring. All right? Yeah, and then don't forget to give error corrections and feedback to student. All right? Question. Okay, none so far. So now let's go on to the next part. Okay, the last important thing also for a good ET is the course plan. All right, so ano ba yung ilulook forward ko sa klase ni teacher? Bakit ba ako bibili ng class teacher? Remember during the introduction, we mentioned about the weakness the student, right? Yeah, we need to figure out the student's weakness. Why? Because we're now going to insert it to the course plan. Okay, we're now going to insert it to the course plan. So during the course plan, you will connect it because course plan is kind of tricky. Yeah, like how are you going to make it like, wow, I'm going to learn something and I need to study, yeah, with teacher's lesson. So here, i-connect nyo ngayon siya. Kunwari, let's say vocabulary yung sinabi niyang weakness. All right. And then the teacher, you can say like, I noticed that your vocabulary needs improvement. Hindi ko sinabing your vocabulary is weak, but you mentioned your vocabulary needs improvement. Right? So, in this class, yeah, I'm going to teach you more vocabularies. Okay, and I challenge you. Yeah, and I'm going to challenge you. Okay, because we've learned a lot of vocabularies in this lesson, right? So, next lesson, we're going to do a role play. Yeah, about what you've learned in this lesson. So si student, he or she will think na, si teacher is challenging me. Yeah, and then they will keep on thinking about it. Yeah, I want to make sure that teacher knows that I learned something in his or her class and that I listened to his or her class. Right? So much a challenge sila. Also, you can tell them, next class, yeah, I want you to minimize saying or maybe next class I'm going to give you a homework. Okay, you will teach me 3 vocabularies that you've learned recently. Okay, that is the course plan because in the course plan it needs to be powerful like the introduction kasi it will leave a mark to the student. Okay, it will leave a mark to the student. So you need to make sure na maganda yung introduction nyo and then yung course plan. It should be connected. All right? Yeah. Question? None so far. Okay. Yeah. So now let's go on to the problems I faced and how I solved it. Okay. Just to share yung TM ko kasi nandito. Yeah. So she knows yung mga problems na na-face ko before. Yes. Ron, we have the same TM. Yeah. You're very lucky. So, problems I faced and how I solved it. Okay, so before time management, okay, GE lalo. GE, you need to manage your time in the ET lesson. Right? Yeah, especially GE, kasi ang dami niyang topics. Ang sarap i-free talk with GE. Right? But of course, we need to follow the flow. Right? The flow of the class to showcase what we can offer. Right? sa company and what book we can give. All right. So before I got a complaint kasi nga ang daldal ko. Yeah. This is the first complaint that I had and then the last because I promised my TEM na this is gonna be the last complaint I'm gonna receive. Ang complaint sa akin is ang daldal ni teacher. Yeah, yun ang complaint sa akin and it's IELTS. So, ayoko nga, perfectionist nga kasi tayo. So, si TM ang tumulong sa akin. Yeah, I listened to my TM. Yeah. And then she said, yeah, medyo madaldal ka nga, bawasan mo yung pagkadaldal. Yeah. So, makikinig kayo lagi sa coaching ng TM. Alright? Aside from the self-assessment, focus on the flow of the class and then makinig kay TM. Alright? Sila kasi yung yung parang mommy natin here sa company. Alright? Message naman na message to mga to. Okay. Ayun. So, time management. Alright? Time management is very, very, very also crucial here, lalo na sa GE. Kasi nga, puro daldalan. Alright? Puro daldalan dito. Next, advanced learners. Okay. Ang hirap i-handle ni advanced learner. Yeah. Mahirap siya i-handle. Okay, kasi lalo na minsan nang i-intimidate sila na advanced learner ako. Madami na akong alam. Lalo na sila level 7 and level 8. Okay, so how are you going to solve it? Challenge the student. They love challenges. Yeah, so challenge them. Make sure na malalaman nila na they will learn more sa class nyo. Okay? Pwede nyo silang bigyan ng idiomatic expression. Sundutan nyo ng idiomatic expression during the class ng mga pamatay nyong sentences during the lesson. I-error correction nyo sila lagi. Yeah. Challenge them. Okay? What I do sa advanced learners ko minsan is idiomatic expression talaga. Kunwari narinig ko si student, sinabi niya, oh, it's raining. Sulat agad ako niyan. Oh, you've mentioned the word raining. I don't like the word rain. Give me another word for rain. Yeah. Okay, it's raining hard. Okay, and I don't want raining hard. We can say here, it's raining cats and dogs. Or also you can say it's bucketing down. Yung mga ganon. Gustong-gusto nila yan. Yeah, gustong-gusto ng mga advanced learners yan. To avoid the plateau. Yung plateau is like being flat lang, wala silang natututunan. They don't like that. And then challenge them after the class to teach you vocabularies too. Okay, next. Okay, student is not participative. Madami rin ganito, especially in the morning. Yeah, they don't want to participate. Parang umattend lang ng class para lang masabing nag-attend sila ng class. Okay, so how are you going to handle this situation? Alright, huwag kayong lumaban sa kanila, okay? Just understand them. Alright, understand the situation, bakit ayaw nila mag-participate, and be professional. Alright, continue teaching, be professional, understand lang. Alright, don't be impatient. Kasi nga, hindi na maganda yung class atmosphere, right? Not them being not participative. So, wag ka nang dumagdag. Alright? Try to be patient and then proceed with the lesson. Yeah. And then make sure you're going to give 101% of your best pa rin. Okay? Yeah. Teacher Rachel, have you ever experienced this one? Because I know you were an IELTS teacher, right?
Yes, DM.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. Have you ever experienced student is not participative?
Yeah, even after giving the corrections, the student just let me complete the sentences. But yeah, I always try my best to encourage and ask him questions that maybe he would answer.
Like what? Iyan mo sa akin, paano siya naging hindi participative?
Pinapa-complete ko, ma'am, yung sentence. After nagbigay ako ng tips on how to improve it. And then ayaw niya.
Bakit ayaw niya?
Parang unsure sa vocabulary na gagamitin niya. Kaya nag-ask na lang ako ng synonyms of the word or inask ko kung may hindi ba siya naiintindihan.
And then hindi naman siya nag-complain, right?
Hindi naman po.
Oh, yeah. Kasi nga, you were trying to be understanding, right? And then you tried to be professional din sa situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Nag-book ulit o hindi na?
Hindi na ho.
Ayaw niya sa'yo. Baka ka dyan. Yeah. So yun, at least you handled the situation well, right? And you did not receive any complaints about it, right? Yes. Okay. So now let's go on to the next part. Okay. So student has technical issue during the class. All right. So, okay, si student ang may technical issue. Right? Huwag na taranta si teacher. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No. Stay calm. Okay? Stay calm. Take a screenshot lagi. Yun ang ginagawa namin. Always take a screenshot and inform the TA sa Skype group chat. Right? Yeah, yun ang gagawin nyo. Kalmado lang. Yeah. And proof about the technical issue. Alright? Because, and then, kunwari, minsan madalas pala to, madalas, internet. Yeah, internet issue. Minsan, hindi daw si student, kundi si teacher. So, if alam nyo nasa alanganin na kayo, make sure to screenshot din yung internet speed nyo. Alright? Make sure to screenshot your internet speed and then send sa TA. Alright? Yeah. Para sa mga technical issues during the class. Para if ever na magkaroon ng complaints or something, mayroon kayong proof. And also, para din ni TA, ma-address ni TA yung technical issues sa side ni student. Okay, matulungan din si student, lalo na pag audio. Right? Next. Okay. So, power interruption and internet issue. Number one problem ng mga TMs to. Yeah, the internet issue sa Philippines. Okay, so we advise teachers to have a backup internet connection talaga. Yeah, that's the best solution about the internet issue. I have 3 internet connections sa Philippines. I have the Globe, the Converge, and then the Sky. Kasi nga ayokong sumakit yung ulo ng TM ko sa akin. Yeah, and then I invest in a good power bank. Invest in a good power bank. Luckily, my location sa Philippines, yeah, so I live in Pasig, so hindi naman siya masyadong affected ng mga power interruption. Pero maganda na yung mag-invest ka to avoid complaints na rin sa future. Okay? Kasi nga ESL tayo, so we need to invest talaga sa mga backups. Right? Yeah, we work from home. Yeah, okay. Question. Ito yung pinaka-behave na na-attendan kong group. Okay, so now we're open for the Q&A. Alright, so may mga questions kayo? Magtanong kayo kasi it's okay na magtanong right now than to make mistakes sa class mismo. Kaya nga tayo nagla-live training. All the questions are very open.
Miss Kisha.
Yo.
Yeah, I just have a question about the technical issues. You mentioned that to be safe on our end, we could take a screenshot of the speed test. Does it mean that even if the problem was on the student's end, we still have to take a screenshot of our speed test and send it to the TA?
Yeah, i-back up
To
mo
be
na lang din.
safe?
Yeah, to be safe. Yes,
Okay,
i-back up mo lang siya. Itabi mo lang muna sa'yo. Para pag nangailangan, may ang pangat daw na internet connection mo, screenshot. May timestamp ka, nagka-screenshot ka, you have the proof. Right? Yes.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Questions? Go, Teacher Ron.
For like the backup,
Mhm.
like I had bought like a couple like pocket Wi-Fi's. Do you think those are effective? Or what was the other one you said? The Skype or the Sky?
The power bank. Okay. From TM Rules English to. Saan ka sa Philippines?
Caloocan, Northern Caloocan.
Caloocan. So, Manila. Usually sa Caloocan, what's your connection? Anong ISP?
Like our internet provider is Globe.
Yes. Yeah.
Globe over here.
Oh, it's Globe. I see. Okay naman yung Globe sa area nyo.
Yeah, for the most part, like the only time like it ever like goes out is like, you know, the Tagulan season. Like if it's like really pouring rain. But other than that, it's like it's pretty good. Like it doesn't go down. But I just bought like a couple things to kind of support that if it does go down. And from your experiences, I guess do you think those pocket Wi-Fi's are like I bought like some pretty expensive pocket Wi-Fi's, but I don't.
Yeah. Miss Rose shared this it's like a router. Miss Rose, no route. It's like a router,
It's
and
a
then it
router.
also has the SIM card.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
It's
kind of
a prepaid broadband.
yeah.
So
So those are, you trust those. Those are effective. I bought like 2 of those different just to be sure, right? But for the most part, those carry enough. Have you ever had to like use it in a situation where internet went down and it was like fluent, it was like good?
Miss Rose just the power. What do you call that, Miss Rose? The
Hmm?
prepaid. Yeah.
Those for prepaids. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool.
'Di ba Miss Rose, gamit na gamit mo yung prepaid na?
Yeah, because here
Mhm.
in Baguio, it's very common to experience power outage and then internet, like ISP going down and all. So I use PLDT prepaid broadband.
Sure.
So it's not like the packet Wi-Fi thing. It's
Like-
like really a modem where,
It's a
but you can
modem.
you can still bring it anywhere. It's pretty useful. So
Yeah.
stronger. I think it's stronger than a packet Wi-Fi.
And then
So-
I guess like I'd basically find that like should I walk in a Globe store and hire that?
Shopee,
You can
right?
visit, yeah, you can visit PLDT, but I think they are also available in malls. So,
Okay, cool. I'll
but I
take
got one from an agent. Yeah.
it. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Miss Rose showed it to me. Yeah, before it's like you can bring it anywhere. Like it's a square, Miss Rose, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really a modem,
Modem.
Oh wow.
portable
Wow.
modem.
It's like a
Right.
portable modem. Oh,
Yes,
got it,
and
got
then
it,
you can
got it.
plug it anywhere, right?
When I travel, I'm gonna bring a power bank and then that modem, and then it will last like more than 24 hours.
Oh
Mhm.
wow.
So yeah, you
Yeah.
can like
Yeah, I
Yes.
should have bought that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
Yeah,
she's
I'll
my
look that up.
PM. Yeah.
share a photo of it later
Yeah.
on. Yep.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, you can use that as your backup internet connection.
And I'm also gonna
Sounds
share
good.
it to TM Murray
Mhm,
or
TM
the
Murray.
other
Yeah.
teachers we have here.
These three
T-
teachers
TM
from TM Murray.
Rose,
Yep.
TM Rose, how do you
Mhm.
load that? Because I'm familiar with the pocket Wi-Fi, but
Mm,
the modem, I'm not so familiar. How do you?
it's like the same as others, and there's actually an app. So that's where you're going to register the kind of how do you call this one, like data limit. So
Mhm.
that's also where you can check how many data is left and all. So it's through an app. Same with like if you're familiar with actually Globe Smart, the same thing, right?
Mhm.
They have an app. I don't know for prepaid
I see.
users. So if you're postpaid, maybe kind of different. So
So this is
Yeah.
prepaid or postpaid?
prepaid.
Prepaid.
Yeah, because
Okay.
if it's just for backup, I think it's not really very practical to use a postpaid because you're not gonna use it all the time. So I just load it up when I need to.
Okay, so for instance, it's Globe. You can load it up with your GCash,
Mhm.
something like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Thank
very
you.
helpful. Yes.
I use for the PLDT, I load it up using BDO, and then even with Shopee, yeah, it's also possible. So kasi parang it's
Shopee?
also like a mobile, you're just gonna load up the SIM card itself.
I see. Okay, I got
Mm.
it.
Yeah, you can share it TM Marie sa mga teachers. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Any other questions during the class? Yeah, yung mga na-encounter nyo or you think that you will encounter. Grabe, ang tahimik nitong batch na to. Yung mga batch na mga nauna. Go, go, go.
Dear,
Yeah.
excuse me, I'm gonna leave the meeting
Yeah,
because
go
I
na.
need to
Help na.
assist Teacher Nier.
Okay, go teach.
Yeah,
Mhm.
thank
Thank
you.
you, TM.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, go teacher Ron.
So like if they ask for like our schedule availability, is that like between a conversation between the student and the TA? So should we like if a student like likes your class and wants to book again with you and they ask for your availability of when you're open,
Mhm.
like your slots, is
Yeah.
that something that we direct to TA?
You can like tell the student to talk to your TA.
Talk to the
Yeah,
TA.
yeah. You can talk to my TA or you can talk to your TA and then ask for my schedule. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. Then don't worry because TAs will do their like they always communicate with the student. So I'm pretty sure. Yeah, na makukuha nila yung message mo. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? Teacher Rachel, magtanong kayo. Teacher Christina.
For me, I think my only concern for GE is the given time for grammar. How are you going to tell the student politely na you need to cut that part because you need to finish the whole material to be
Okay.
able to evaluate?
How do you do it sa IELTS? Kunwari, you need to go na sa other part ng lesson. So how do you do it?
I just cut the student off pag while he or she is answering because my answering time naman din, ma'am.
I see. So you can like ano naman politely. Yeah, okay. So now let's move on to, do you have any questions about this part? Yeah, and then okay, now let's move on and learn more in this part. Yeah, ganun lang. Tapos make sure nakasmile. Yeah, kaka-investigate ko na ng complaint yung teacher, maldita, laging nakataas yung kilay. So always smile. Mhm. Okay?
Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Ano pang questions?
Ish,
Oh.
can I add something about that? Because I think that's really, really a good question.
Mhm.
So, many teachers struggle with moving on to the next section and all, right? So, teachers are like worried, like, oh, I have to cover everything and all. But I think at the end of the
Not
day, what you
necessarily.
have to really focus on is the student satisfaction. So you shouldn't really like, like squeeze in everything in the limited time. So you have to adjust based on the student's need.
Mhm.
And then whatever you did not finish, you can discuss it in the next class. Actually, it's like also something that the student will
We
look
look
forward
forward
to.
to. Mhm.
Right. So you can say,
Yeah.
oh, okay. So anyway, we have not finished our lesson, but don't worry, we will discuss it in our next class.
Mhm.
So it can also be another like way of you, like selling the lesson. But again, just try not to force to squeeze in everything if it's really if you think that it will affect the students satisfaction. It's more on focusing on the student satisfaction rather than finishing the whole lesson.
So it's okay, ma'am, to prioritize the student space.
Yes,
Yeah,
always
Yes.
prioritize the student.
yeah, because
Mm.
TM Marie was emphasizing on the time allotment on each part for GE, and yeah, I feel a bit worried to conduct some classes for
Mm,
GE.
Maniwala ka sa kadaldalan ko.
Oo nga,
yeah.
ma'am.
Depende sa
Kasi ang reason niya, how are you going to evaluate? Pero okay lang ho pala na kahit hindi matapos, but at least most of it matapos
pero kung advanced learner si student, shy pa rin, okay?
Mm-mm.
Basta make sure the follow-up
sa
questions are there
pace
in the
niya.
vocabulary. Yes.
Okay
Mhm.
po.
So
Thank
for
you,
trial
ma'am.
lesson kasi kaya kailangan natin i-manage yung time is because the lesson itself is our product. So we are
Mhm.
trying to sell it.
Showcase,
And we
yeah.
want to show the student na this is what you can expect in our daily lesson. Ganon. But of course, kung mahina naman talaga si student or mababa ang level niya, parang there's no
Acceptable
point
naman.
in squeezing oo lahat. So it's okay.
Okay. Thank you, TM. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, question? Wala na kayong question? Grabe naman. Any experience na gusto niyo i-share na nagkaroon kayo during your class? Ang tahimik nito, Ma. Diyos ko, sabi ko sa'yo, isang oras yung pinakamaikli kong training na nakaraan. Okay, so 4 of
Under
you.
time.
Oo, ang tahimik nila. Nahiya sila kay Ron.
Sige, labas na ako.
So, TMs, teachers. Okay, Hazel, Rachel, Christina, Ron. I don't want to see your names, okay, sa complaints. Alright? I know you can give the best class sa mga students. Make sure na they are satisfied. Okay? So, our world needs great teachers. Okay? And make sure na tayo yung great teachers na yon. Alright? Yeah. And also, background lang din. So, TM Rose is my TM hanggang ngayon. Nag-promise ako sa kanya, hindi ko siya iwan. Happy birthday, Miss Rose. Hindi, as in talaga, todo push siya sa akin na, sige, 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 kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Ron, you're so lucky na TM mo siya. Pusher talaga siya, yes. So, she's going to push you talaga. So, kasi nag-believe yung company sa inyo, may naniniwala sa inyo yung mga TMs nyo, so give the best na lang. Huwag nyo nang dagdagan yung sakit ng ulo ng mga TMs nyo because of the complaints, the low buying rate or something. Okay? Yeah. So, any feedback? Yeah. About this one? I want to hear a feedback. Okay, teacher, one feedback naman. I need a feedback How to, like, the feedback about our sharing here.
I think the feedback was good, and the questions that they asked are like good for us starting teachers and getting into this space of understanding the students and the materials, and playing like having like a fine line with like selling the selling what the service we're trying to give, but at the same time being having like the academics behind it and like making sure that we complete some of our lessons and the importance of like the student first. I think that's really good. Today I prepared like for 2 hours on this business English class, and he was like, I want to do free talk. I was like, no, you don't. You want to go to the lesson. But like, I'm just kidding. We went through the discussion and the free talk, but like, it's fun. Like going, like you think you might know what you want to do as a teacher or how you might want to lesson plan it go, but you really have to read the student. And I think it's important to just like to understand the 3 points you brought up. It's important to understand what the goals are in the beginning, the goals you set, and what's going to be an effective learning space for the kid, no matter how you think a lesson plan should go. So I think that was cool that you gave the support, and like you showed us the support, and the teachers to support the students first, and then make sure we complete as much as we can in the process. And I think that's like it's amazing. It's an amazing team to be part of, and I'm excited to move forward with Partner English.
Wow, kasi nakakaiyak yung feedback niya English. Hindi, joke lang, Teacher Ron. Yeah. Magka-team kami, wag kayo dyan. Teammate tayo, yeah. So if you need help naman, you can message lang Miss Rose, yeah. And then, advantage nyo, nasa team mo ko. So you can message me then anytime. Okay?
Thank you, yeah.
Yes. All right, Teacher Christina, feedback.
I like the way you have shared your experiences. And,
Okay.
I really watched your teaching videos and I've learned about your style.
Shucks, mukhang pangit ko dun.
No, in your teaching video, you were very energetic. The energy was there, so that your student loves you so much. Yeah, you were talking. You even mentioned about your food. You like shampao. What's that? You
Sinabi
talked
ko.
about the food. So yeah, I think whatever your experiences that you're sharing with us, it's very helpful. And moving forward, I would like to emulate you.
Wow. What? Baka mawalan pa akong trabaho pag in-emulate mo ko dito. Okay. Teacher Rachel, feedback. If you want to see like more of this, ano pang gusto mong matutunan in the future?
Yes, ma'am. I think our session today was great because I was able to also tell you my concern, and I think I'd be more confident to conduct GE classes knowing that it's okay to prioritize the student space, and it's okay not to finish, but at least try to finish the whole material. And yeah, I think ang pinaka na ano ko, ma'am, is sa introduction, because when it comes to IELTS, parang nasanay ako na AI nga, ma'am.
Robotic, right? Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
And don't worry, yung GE is like only 10% ng IELTS. Hindi mo siya kailangan masyado. Yeah, ang kailangan mo talaga yung bibig. Pero yung
Yes,
utak hindi
ma'am.
masyado.
Mhm.
Okay. Teacher
you, ma'am.
Hazel, feedback, and what do you want
Ah.
to see, if you want to see more of this like in the future?
First, I appreciate Rachel for bringing up a lot of time
Ba't
when
di mo
you
kasi binibring up?
yeah. I've always been like, thinking and overthinking, yeah. But thanks to what you said earlier, to focus more on the satisfaction of the students, very, very important. Now that I clearly understood and I understand better on, selling the lesson, which is the core of Partner English. So I'm with you guys.
With you guys, arte nito.
Let's do this. Yeah. And also I always love your energy, Miss Kisha. I love it. It's so contagious, for real.
Arte nito, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
if
thank
you
you.
want to see more, ang dami- vlogger. Pag may kailangan kayo naman, always naman kami laging willing to help. Yeah, Gcash na lang, masaya kayo na libre. Hindi, joke lang. So, pag kailangan nyo ng help, hanapin nyo lang ako sa DingTalk. Pero wag makulit ha, pero hindi. Hanapin nyo lang ako sa DingTalk then. I'm very willing naman to help. Okay? Yeah, teamwork tayo dito. Alright? Yeah, so that's it. So thank you, teachers, for having this training with me. Ayoko makita ang names niyo, ha? Gusto ko makita kayong names niyo sa mga matataas na bulletin. Okay? Yeah, so thank you for having this.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank
Shishi.
you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. And bye-bye. Bye, Miss Rose.
Thank you, Pop. Have a good
Thank
night.
you.
Bye. Good luck,
Bye-bye.
teachers.
Have a good one.
Bye.